Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Our top pick for the best overall sewing machine is the Brother Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine because it is a versatile and feature-packed option that caters to both sewers and quilters. It is durable, easy to set up and use, and has all the functionalities an experienced sewer would find convenient without any fussy extras that could confuse beginners. One of the standout features of this machine is the start/stop function that allows you to control the machine with a button, instead of the pedal. It's handy to be able to push the button to quickly stop the machine if you make a mistake. However, where this function shines is with beginner sewers, especially kids, because they can use this button instead of trying to master the pedal, so they don't feel overwhelmed by so much multitasking. Other buttons are handy like the reverse and the needle up/down button, which makes it easy to keep your needle down when you need to pivot. The automatic needle threading is a convenient way to save a lot of time. The arm of the needle threader descends and stays put until it's engaged, which takes a lot of frustration out of threading your needle. It also has a quick set drop-in top bobbin that is jam resistant. All you have to do is pop the bobbin in place and let the machine do the rest for you. The computerized functions of the machine are shown on an intuitive and easy-to-read LCD screen that helps you select which of the 70 built-in stitches, including decorative and utility stitches, you want to use. In our testing, we were able to select the stitches we wanted without having to consult the manual. When we tested them out, we found they made consistent straight and zigzag stitches on both denim and woven cotton. The decorative stitches were neatly stitched with even tension. While we only tested one, it has settings for 7 different styles of buttonholes so you can customize your designs to the tiniest detail. A great choice for quilting enthusiasts, it comes with specialty quilting stitches programmed in, a quilt guide, and a quilting bar that attaches to the walking foot to help keep your stitches straight. It also includes a quilting table with measurement markings on the side to give you more space for quilts or other large projects that require you to handle a lot of fabric. Number 2. Janome Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. If you found that you are outgrowing your current sewing machine and want a solid upgrade, or if you are a sewing newbie who isn't afraid of investing in a machine as long as it will grow with you, take a look at this model by Janome. It checks all the boxes of must-haves with a combination of durability, reliability, and versatility rolled up into a solid build that will stand up to years of heavy use. In our testing, every feature we tried out was satisfyingly sturdy, from the way the presser foot snaps into place to how sturdy the backstitch button feels when you force it down. Seasoned sewers will appreciate its wide range of built-in stitches, including essential stitches, straight, zigzag, and decorative stitches, as well as stretch stitches for sewing on knits. Simply turn the dial to select the stitch and the appropriate length and width adjustments with the move of a dial. Choose 3 for regular sewing, 2 for appliques, and 1 for delicates like chiffon and lace or velour and knits. In our testing, zigzag stitches on sturdy denim with a little bit of stretch came out perfectly even and straight. The presser foot can be raised even further than normal for additional clearance for any thicker projects involving layers, and it comes with leather needles for sewing leather. Everyone will appreciate the markings on the lid of the machine that outline which width, length, patterns, thread tension, and foot to use, so you don't have to remember them or look them up each time. The lid also has cutouts for the different feet so you never have to go looking for them and can see at a glance which one is which. It's the kind of feature that makes you think, why doesn't every machine have this? Number 3. Bernett B33 Swiss Design Sewing Machine. The Bernette B33 Swiss Design Sewing Machine is a compact and versatile sewing machine designed to meet the needs of both beginners and intermediate sewers. With its user-friendly features and solid construction, it offers an excellent balance of functionality and affordability. Bernette is the bridge line for Bernina, the beloved Swiss mark. While this model may lack some advanced features found in the higher-end model, it more than makes up for it with its affordability and reliability. Since it comes at a lower price point, it's a great value buy. During our tests, What stood out about this model is its intuitive design and straightforward dials that make it a no-fuss choice and ideal for those new to sewing. The machine is easy to set up and operate, with clearly labeled stitch selections, straightforward controls, and no high-tech features that could be confusing. This simplicity allows beginners to quickly grasp the basics of sewing without feeling overwhelmed. It is the type of machine that would be perfect for students studying fashion design. Despite its compact size, the Bernette B33 doesn't compromise on performance. It holds 2 colors of thread at once, and the presser foot and shank are sturdy and high quality. It offers a variety of built-in stitches, including essential stitches like straight, zigzag, and decorative stitches, providing versatility for a range of sewing projects. The adjustable stitch length and width settings allow users to customize their stitches to suit their specific needs. In our testing, the stitches came out clean and even on both woven cotton and denim, making hems feel secure and professionally sewn. The automatic needle threader is a convenient feature that saves time and frustration by effortlessly threading the needle with the push of a lever. Additionally, the built-in thread cutter allows for quick and easy trimming of thread ends, minimizing interruptions during sewing sessions. The backstitch function is quick and easy, and we appreciated that the pedal was easy to control and didn't slide around. For sewers on the go or those with limited space, the Bernette B33's lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport and store. Whether you're attending sewing classes, crafting with friends, or sewing in a small apartment, this machine offers convenience and versatility without sacrificing performance. It also comes in your choice of color: Arctic teal, blue, lilac, pink, and purple. Number 4. Brothers Serger Metal Frame Overlock Machine. It's easy to see why the Brothers Serger Metal Frame Overlock Machine is one of the most popular sergers on the market. It's a reliable and versatile overlock machine designed to streamline the process of finishing raw edges, sewing seams, and creating professional-looking hems to put a polish on all of your designs. One of the first things we noticed about this model is its sturdy construction for such a nicely compact machine. The heavy-duty metal frame provides stability and durability, which is promising for even thicker fabrics. In our testing, it sliced through both woven cotton and denim with ease and precision, making us confident that it can handle multiple layers of denim and other heavy materials. Despite its powerful performance, the 1034D is remarkably easy to use, even for beginners. When we opened the box, we found that the preloaded threads had come out during shipping, making for a tangled mess in the box. Luckily, the color-coded threading system and lay-in threading made it simple to rethread it correctly. If we had any problems, the included instructional DVD would have provided step-by-step guidance. The pedal wasn't too touchy either, so you could use the pedal to increase the speed without it taking off too quickly. Beginners and experienced sewers alike will appreciate the smooth fabric feed mechanism, which ensures smooth and even stitching on different types of fabric, including stretchy or lightweight materials. This feature is particularly useful for achieving professional-looking results on garments with seams that need to stretch, such as activewear or knitwear. In our testing, we were delighted to see how straight the machine keeps the fabric, almost guaranteeing a straight cut. The machine's adjustable stitch width and length settings make tension fears go away and provide flexibility to suit different project requirements. Whether you're creating narrow rolled hems or wide decorative edges, you can easily adjust the stitch width and length with ease. The only aspect of the machine that we didn't like was the removable trim trap. It was the only part of the machine that felt cheaply made, and it was incredibly hard to insert correctly. Number 5. Singer Quantum Stylist Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist Sewing and Quilting Machine is like having a creative powerhouse right at your fingertips, and with its heavy-duty metal frame, you can trust that this machine will stand up to whatever you throw at it. It would take days to discover its incredible array of stitch options, more than 600 in total, including everything from simple basics to intricate decorative designs. While all of these details could sound overwhelming, a visual guide is displayed under the lid so you can see the pretty designs at a glance, plus 13 different buttonholes and specialty stitches like one that is just for tacks. All of these options could seem daunting, except it has a stellar user-friendly design that holds your hand through each step on a large LCD screen. Use it to select your stitches and adjust settings. During testing, we needed to use the manual at first to learn what the symbols for each button meant, but they made sense to us and were easy to remember. A few details were standouts, like the electronic twin needle settings are easier than you'd think to swap out, an adjustable stitch length and width give you complete control over your projects. This model comes with 5 extra feet, walking foot, shank, adjustable bias binder, fancy trim, stitch, and a ditch foot. The shank that connects to each foot has a locking mechanism to keep it level when you're sewing a stack of thick fabrics so you can avoid tension problems. With this machine's automatic needle threading feature, you never have to squint and strain to thread a needle again. Threading it is as easy as pushing a button. When it comes to cutting thread, the automatic thread cutter does the job neatly and quickly, so you can keep your momentum going without missing a beat. It even has an automatic function for buttons. Just select which one you want, go to reheat your cup of coffee, and come back to a perfectly sewn buttonhole with tension and balance that beat every other machine during our tests. For quilters, this machine is an absolute game changer. The extended work surface gives you plenty of room to maneuver even the biggest quilts, while the drop feed feature lets you get creative with free motion quilting and intricate stitching. Plus, with specialized quilting stitches and a walking foot attachment, your quilts will come out looking polished and professional every time. One small detail that did not go unnoticed during testing was the fact that the power cord and pedal are separate units, which made sewing less cumbersome because the pedal could lay flat instead of being tethered to another cord.